Something wrong with him. I don't know if he's cursed or if it's something with his brain, but the only thing he ever says is I like trains. I like trains. I like trains. From birth, the Alec Trains kid never spoke a word, not even to his parents, not a single sound was heard. But on the first day of school, the teacher asked his name. All he did was smile as he said, I like trains. I like trains. On some Ritalin to see if that would help. The doctor found the perfect dose and asked him how he felt. He stared at the doctor with a little creepy smile, and the Alec Trains kid said, I feel great. He got a fancy job and he straightened out his life. He met a nice girl who he asked to be his wife. As they stood at the altar and prepared to say